In today's video, I'll show you how to add columns in Looker Studio charts. Start by opening your browser and searching for Looker Studio. Log in with your account, and once you're on the dashboard, open the report where your chart is located. Click on the chart you want to edit. On the right-hand side, you'll see the data panel. This is where you control what appears in your chart. First, scroll to the Dimensions section. Dimensions define how your data is grouped. To add a new column, click Add Dimension, or simply drag a field from the Fields list into the Dimension or Breakdown Dimension area. As soon as you do this, you'll see new columns appear in the chart. Next, scroll down to the Metrics section. Metrics are the numerical values like totals or counts. Click Add Metric or drag a metric directly into the metric area. The chart will instantly update and display the new metric as an additional column. You can also combine multiple dimensions and metrics to create richer charts. For example, adding a category dimension along with multiple metrics lets you compare performance side by side in a clear column layout. And that's it. You've successfully added columns to your Looker Studio chart, making your data easier to read and more insightful. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.